Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So I've got this wig to show you today. This wig has been sent to me by Mimo Wigs, and this is Belle Tress Peerless 22 inches in Rootbeer Float Blonde. You know how I always say I look awful with long hair, but this is another level. This is so long. This is not long. Gorgeous. Anyway, let's talk about this wig. So this is 22 inches. In fact, this has, let me tell you the specs of it, because it has, this one has a fringe, or as you call it in the US, bangs. So the fringe is 4 to 6 inches because it goes a bit longer here. The sides are 17 inches, and nape 14 and a half, and the back they say is 21 and a half. The label says 22, so somewhere around there. Wow, I used to have fringe permanently for probably 40 years of my life. What do you think of me with a fringe? When you see this wig on the website, the fringe won't look like this. Can you see it's got a very, very big swoop here, but on the website, on the models, this fringe looks more down, and you could flatten it a bit with the straighteners because this is heat defiant wig. Now the color, we love this color. This is my second favorite. The favorite is Butterbeer Blonde. Butterbeer Blonde is a bit brighter. So as you can see, this has quite a lot of layers, especially at the front. Yeah, mostly at the front. The back is pretty much one side. I will show her to you in a minute. And these really carefree waves. It's beautiful. The density is amazing. It's so natural. You know, a lot of times with long wigs, you get so much hair that it completely swamps you. This is such a lovely density, very, very natural. As you can see, it's not like loads and loads of hair. I can make it more lioness-like. This is straight from the box, actually. I haven't done anything to it. Yeah, I can make it. Does it have a bit? Maybe it has tiny bit of permatease, like all over really, at the back, on the sides, not so much on the top. So you could make it bigger. Actually, let's have a look at the cap. So it is a standard cap with adjustable straps with the usual velvety ear tabs, and as you can see, middle parting monofilament and lace front. So you have middle parting, but the parting is quite wide. So the lace is from here to here, and the parting is a bit that wide, so you could slightly move it to off center, one side or the other. So let's find this fringe. It's sort of razor cut, so it's like thinner on the ends. It's really nice as far as fringes go. You know, it's not like a heavy one length fringe. Let me show her to you at all the sides. So this is the front. It's a bit shorter. That's the side. And here is the back. I hope you can see it. If you like long hair, or you've had long hair and it's your hairstyle, you will love it. I hope you can see the density and how beautifully it moves. Again, the fibers are very fine. It's beautiful, but obviously Nisha would never go out in a long wig like this. So I would use this wig for Abdos. And I was thinking, I really love that look with this big bun knot on the top of the head. And this is perfect because it's so long. But I think it would take a lot of work to get it right. And especially that when I put it up, I've got these shorter bits here around my face. So that will look nice. Might have to sort this fringe and make it a bit more flat, but obviously you can do so much with this wig. Let's play. Oh, I don't have my proper clip here. I have this one. Remember, I got it on Shein. So obviously, so first thing I'm thinking of is low ponytail. This is not a very good clip for that, but you know what I mean. You could also have it to the side. Imagine I have a proper clip. You can do half up, half down. Let's do it with a elastic. I'm doing it quickly, I'm not making that much effort. This is like my favorite look for long hair. It's just so fun and flirty. Then obviously you can put it up like this, you know, just use a big clip. But I want to have a go at this really high up ponytail. So this might take me a long time. I might have to put music under it and just let you watch. If I did something like this, I would just leave it on a wig stand like this and use it just as my high bun wig. So I'm going to brush all the hair up. Believe me, this is so different than doing it with your own hair. It's not the same at all. Just to gather all this hair. So this wasn't that difficult. Also, you could then use some pins to pin it into the wig so it doesn't fall off, but it seems pretty secure. And then you can play with pulling extra hair here and there. I will show you this from the back in a minute. Now these seem to be a bit too long, so I could just cut them a bit. And also, can you see this doesn't look so natural because obviously it's a wig. So what I will do, I will take a bit of my own hair from underneath. Hang on, let's clip that out of the way for a second. We take our own hair because then you see if the wind blows, this just looks like it's growing out of my own head. So that's what you need to do, is take a bit of your own hair and the back looks really good and smooth. I will show you in a minute, but obviously again the hairline at the back is looking quite severe. So what you can do again is pull some of the hairs and cut them shorter and then pull your own hair out. But yeah, you just have to spend a bit of time to make it look more natural. So let's now pull out more hair from this side. And then look at the back. You can actually see the tag. You could cut the tag off or make sure you've really hidden it. And then pull, because everybody has baby hairs, even if your hair is long. Obviously I can't see what I'm doing. I would do that normally with a mirror. Let me actually go and do that. So there, it looks a bit better. Can you see I've pulled my hair? You can make sure that you pull this. It's just this tag. I would have to cut this tag off because I don't know if I can hide it. Is it hidden? Thankfully, Belle Tress has very small tags. I mean, John Renault and Raquel Welch have huge tags. So there. So I could just cut these a bit shorter, or I can just put them back up. Maybe I don't even need these. I don't know. I think maybe I would have to pull a bit more hair here on the sides and just trim this hair. But isn't that cute? I've always wanted to wear a big messy bun like this, but my own hair bun would be that big. So what do you think? Perfect Abdo. It just will take some work to disguise all the sides and the back. If I wanted to even bring this bun more forward, I can stick this clip there. You could take that hair that I trapped in the ponytail and just have a long ponytail. That might actually work a bit better, because then you don't see really the bottom at the back. So that's quite a good look as well. Now imagine this as a wedding hair or wedding guest hair. You could, you know, really play and put little flowers in it, pretty clips. There is just so much to do. I could play with it all day. So cute. Let me know what you think. I think it's a beautiful wig to wear down if you look good in long hair and you are used to long hair. Like I said, the density is perfect. but it is an amazing wig for all sorts of updos. I don't sit ever long enough to play with my wigs, but I should. I mean, you could braid it in places, you could do so much with it. It's just amazing, and the color is beautiful. Yes, so I might use a lot this wig for filming, because it doesn't really even matter what it looks at the back like, but I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, I think I would definitely take like a little section of the back hair at the hairline and sort of razored it a bit so they are like different lengths, so it looks like baby hairs, especially that my own hair is very blonde here, so it needs some of that dark sticking out as well. So my lovelies, this was the Belle Tress Peerless, very strange name, in Rootbeer Float Blonde. Let me know what you think about this one. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.